Hello everybody. In today's video, we're going to cover how to automate your entire Instagram DMs using AI so that it takes care of all of your DM conversations. In this case, I want to jump straight into the demo that we're going to build inside this tutorial. I'm testing it on my Instagram account, and the test example that we have is their DMs of a fitness coach. So this fitness coach has a new fitness program that he's about to launch, and their primary goal is that his followers, if they chat with him inside the Instagram, they can ask questions about the program as well as enroll inside of it. So let us start. Let me show the demo. So I'm going to use my phone here. Let's start the conversation. Say, hey there. How can I assist you today? I heard about John's fitness program. Tell me about it. Yeah, so it basically answers about the fitness program. We can ask some more specific questions like, does it have a lot of cardio? Does it fit if I wanna lose weight? Absolutely, it has high intensity interval training. So you can see that it is answering the questions. Does not master it to the best possible way. The answers are not that dynamic, but you get the idea. And now if I imply that I want to enroll into the program by saying like, I want to sign up for the program, it starts the flow that is not AI generated, which is manually made, so that it answers three questions, main questions about the prospect, so that we can save it in our Airtable and contact the lead later. So the first question is your primary goal. Mine will be, let's say, improve health. Got it. My full name. Let's say my name is Mark Zepp. It's Daniel, but I already have a lot of in my Airtable. Also, lastly, I will need your phone number. And my phone number, let's say, it's gonna be something like something imaginary, right? Perfect. Just seems gonna get back to you ASAP. And right now, if we go inside my Airtable, and just reload the page, we can see that we have a new record with Mark Zepp prospect with his phone number and with his primary goal. We could also add stuff like Instagram ID or ask about email. It is all adjustable, but that is the bare minimum I want to show. So if you are interested in building stuff like that, stay tuned. I'm going to cover in this video step by step how to achieve this. If you're not familiar with this channel and myself, my name is Daniel. I'm a software engineer. I've been doing this for 5 years, and last year started in AI space. And recently I started my AI agency that implements AI solutions for businesses. Now let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll need 3 things. It is Voiceflow, Airtable, and ManyChat. But the main thing I want to focus on is this link between Instagram and Voiceflow. So the idea is that you already need to have some sort of AI chatbot inside Voiceflow. The AI chatbot that I have is basically built using one of my tutorials, my previous tutorials, where I connected Airtable to Voiceflow. So let's go over my Voiceflow chatbot. I don't want to go into specifics. I just want to show you what it does, and then I will cover the part of linking it with Instagram. So here inside my Voiceflow, I have one workflow. We hit the start, then we have the logic. So we have basically two workflows. One is answering frequently asked questions, and the other one is enrolling a prospect into a program. So basically, I start my logic from recognizing the intent. So the user sends a message, and I recognize if he wants to enroll. I fire a sequence of messages that leads to enrollment, and if not, I just go to answering questions. So inside answering question, I have AI model that has a prompt. Inside a prompt, I have the information about the program. Right, and here I have the sequence of messages that gathers user information inside variables, their goal, their name, their phone, and then sends a request to save it inside our database, which is Airtable. So this is pretty quick recap how it works, right? And but the main part that we want to focus on is this link, as I said, between Voiceflow and Instagram. So let's say you have any chatbot. It doesn't necessarily need to be something similar to this. It can be anything in Voiceflow. All right, so let's go to ManyChat. Inside ManyChat, we'll need to do a couple of the steps to make your automations working. So first of all, you need to connect to Instagram. You go to Settings, Instagram, and if it is not connected, it's going to look like this. You just need to click Connect and follow the steps. Okay, so once you connect it, you'll need to do the following thing. I will leave a link inside the description, down below the description, for a template that is used to link Voiceflow with Instagram. So what you do, you go by this link, and then you click Save to ManyChat. I'm going to use my account. I'm saving the flow. Right. And the next step that you can have is this. So you're going to have a folder imported from Daniel's app. And inside this folder, you're going to have our template. So this is a template that we have. First of all, don't be confused by the complexity. You don't really need to understand how it works. You will need only to do a couple of the steps to change my credentials of Voiceflow to your credentials. Okay, also I wanted to give a big shout out to OmniFusion AI because that is basically their template. I a little bit adjusted it, but overall it is their template. Okay, so yeah, and even myself, I didn't come up with this template. Even though I could start making it from scratch. It doesn't even make sense. It's just a waste of time. And I advised for you to do the same thing. Just copy this, and it's going to be good and working. So okay, so we'll need to a little bit adjust this template. So first adjustment is that you can see that here trigger is not set up. So what we basically want to do is we go inside settings and we go Instagram, and here we can see such a thing as default reply. And we need to select this workflow. So I click inside imported from Daniel's app and this automation, and I'm picking this automation. Now, if we go back inside this automation, we're going to see that the trigger is set. We need to set here every time, and we need to activate it. Okay, so that is the first adjustment. The following adjustments have a lot to do with Voiceflow. So basically, you can see that we are doing a lot of requests here. everywhere where you can see the link, we are doing a HTTPS request. So we click on Edit Automation, and for each such block, we need to change two things. So we need to change authorization key and version ID. So let me explain. Basically, these keys are your credentials to Voiceflow. If you go inside Voiceflow, inside your agent, you can see that inside settings, you can see general. And inside general, you're going to have version ID for your agent. That is the exact version ID that we need as a credential. And for authorization, we go inside the integration tab, and here you have your API key. API key is going to be used inside of here. So you put your API key inside of here and your version ID inside of there. And basically that is everything you need to change. As soon as you change it, you click save, and you do this with all their requests. So here you need to change it, here you need to change it, everywhere. And this should be pretty much it. Okay, so we adjusted our automation. Now I can go inside my phone, and I'm gonna just send a message. Hey, it's Dan. And you can see here, you can see that it actually responded. You can type in something else, and it's working. And also the cool thing about it is that inside ManyChat, we can go to live chat, and inside of it, we can see me texting and all of the responses. So basically, I typed in, hey, it's Dan, and you can manage all of the conversations inside of here. We have pretty much all of the conversation that's been before. Yeah, so as simple as that, you just copy the template, adjust the things, and it's all working. Alright, so this is pretty much it. Very simple and straightforward tutorial. You just need to copy the template that I have in ManyChat, adjust it a little bit, change the Voiceflow credentials, and you are set. As simple as that. So thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you have any struggles, any issues. I'm going to help you out. And also let me know if there is any specific topic you want me to cover.